Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Shape of Dreams not launching. So it is pretty simple and easy. Just right click it and go to the properties. Right here, go to the installed files and click on browse. You'll see the installed files right here. Here it says Shape of Dreams, right click it and click on properties. Right here, click compatibility. And right here, you want to select run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and click apply. Do the same for Unity Crash Handler 64, of course the properties, compatibility, and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. After that, what we want to do is verify the integrity of demo files. So it will be for you verify integrity of files. So verify those. And if that still doesn't help, make sure to go to the properties, and right here where it says launch options, write -dx11 and try launching it. If that doesn't work, -dx12. So that's pretty much it. That's how you fix your not launching issue in Shape of Dreams. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.